What's the meaning of carmine? Carmine. Carmine.
Carmine. Carmine. Carmine is a deep red color that is often described as being similar to the color of blood. It is commonly used as a dye and pigment in various industries, such as textiles, cosmetics, and food. The color is derived from cochineal insects that are found primarily in Central and South America. These insects produce carminic acid, which when mixed with aluminum or calcium salts, produces the vibrant carmine color. Due to its vivid hue and versatility, carmine is often used in products ranging from lipsticks and blushes to fruit juices and candy.